What's up guys, Shugbricks back with an unboxing of the LEGO Technic Porsche 911 RSR. This retails for $150 in the US and contains 1,580 pieces. I received this as a gift for Christmas and I'm very excited to build it. But first, let's see what's inside the box. The back of the box shows off some interior details, the real car, and the 6-cylinder engine with moving pistons. Here we go. There are 13 bags, unnumbered, one instruction manual, and 2 very large sticker sheets. At the front of the instruction booklet, there's a guide on how to choose the right piece and a QR code for digital instructions. And then the build starts. Flipping to the back of the booklet, there's the set all built up, some of the features, steering wheel that controls the wheel, opening doors, suspension, and moving pistons. The next page has a comparison of the LEGO version with the real version. Well, there you have it everyone. If you enjoyed my unboxing of the LEGO Technic Porsche 911 RSR, please hit that like button and consider subscribing. Also, comment below what your favorite LEGO Technic set is. See you all in the next one.